Hi guys, it's me, Idiotic2, and I will be doing a review or I'll be comparing this $10 slime versus this $7 slime. And I know there's not a big difference, but I got these both at TJ Maxx. But yeah, first let's just open this one. Oh. Okay. So it's actually pretty heavy. Okay, so first I'm just gonna get this one. And there's supposed to be multicolor. This is quite a lot. Oh, I got a galaxy one. Oh, it's so cool. So the original super cool slime. No, I hate when this happens. Okay, this is the worst thing to ever happen. I need to find something kind of sharp. Okay, I'll just... I hate when this happens. Like, I pull off this, but then there's still this. I think this is not... Oh, okay. So I poked into it, and I'm pretty sure I could just peel it out. Looks like jiggly slime. Ooh. Feels kind of weird. But I love the color. Oh, it feels so wet. Can't really take it out easily. Okay, that's actually a lot. Okay, so it's like this jiggly slime. It looks like water. I mean, it feels like water. It looks like water when you try to poke it, but it's not, like, you can't. Well, it's super fun and stuff. It's like, but you can't poke it. But I think it's actually pretty cool, and it's a lot. Well, because this is a lot for just $7. And it's pretty stretchy. It's not bad. But it's definitely not really slime. It's like water slime. Okay. This is a cool container. How do I put it in? Oh, no. Nope, don't. Because it's not really sticky. It just feels like water. I can't seem to put it back in the container, though, which is pretty sad. So I'm just going to rip it into pieces, and you might think, oh, no, it won't come back together. And it actually does. Look. So let me rip out the piece. Well, I think it does. Let me rip out another piece, and then it still is together. It's actually not like super bad for a store-bought slime at TJ Maxx, but it's not really slime. I'm just gonna do. Okay, I love the container because like, I like science stuff like that. Oh. But the piece can't be too big, so I could put it in the container. So it's kind of hard to put it back. But yeah, that's my galaxy slime. Okay, the next one is this. I think it's a directed slime or something. I don't know. It's going to be a pain opening it again. Oh. Okay, I guess. It's so hard. I don't know if I could go through all of these. I think I can. Okay, I finally ripped it. Okay, yeah, I ripped it. Ooh, I like this color. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh gosh. It's just like the other one. It does go back together. It's fun to play with, and it's hard to get out of the container. But it's like not super bad to get out of the container. Oh, okay, so this is just like the last one. I think it's like pretty much the same. I don't think it's any different except the color. It's like water. Okay, so I'm gonna go through all the colors. I just need to put the whole slime back. It's gonna take me a while. Sorry if this video is gonna be too long. I don't think I can go through all of these slimes. I'm just gonna go through these two and then show you this one. And then, well, I'm not gonna play with the other one. Okay, in a way, it's kind of like Flarp, like the noise putty, cause like of the container, the top of the container, right here. When I push it through, it makes kind of a fart noise. I don't know if you could hear, but yeah, because this slime isn't sticky at all. It doesn't even feel like it was like used to make with glue, but yeah, it's the same as before. And the last one, real quick, is this one. Ooh, this is like my favorite one. Okay, so comment down below which color you guys like most from this. I think this is my least favorite. Like one of these is my favorite. Because this is a rainbow, this is galaxy. But yeah, these are all the super cool slimes. Okay, so the next one, or next thing I got was this fun putty. Now it's not really slime, it's putty, but I consider putty as a hard slime, so. Okay, so there's clear slime, or clear putty. There's heat sensitive to touch putty, and there's magnetic putty. I'm super disappointed about this one because it doesn't even come with the magnet. That's weird. Okay, I'm really excited about this one. Doesn't really. Oh, whoa. Oh, there's tape. I did not know that. Huh. Ooh, this looks cool. So it's in like a little baggie. Wish it didn't come in this bag. Wow, I just ripped the bag. Now I can't get it. Okay, I'm just gonna rip it through. Okay. Wonder what it's gonna feel like. Because I don't think I've actually touched like putty before. Like these kind of putties. Okay, there's like a small piece right here. Some more here. Oh my god, it's so clear. Oh, where did that be? Okay, it's kind of hard to get out of the bag. But, oh, there's a piece right here. That fell out. So, I'm not liking it so far because, like, ripping, well, it's going to rip easily. But it's not, I mean, it's super hard. I have to put all my muscles into it. Thought this was gonna be softer. But yeah, I got this from TJ Maxx, so I'm not really surprised very much. I knew that it wasn't gonna be like super good, but I didn't know it was gonna be this bad. I don't know, but this is well pretty. Okay, the next one is this heat putty. I don't know what that is, but God, it always. Why? Okay, got the tape off. Wonder what it actually. Okay, so it's red. I don't know if it's just red putty or if it's actually like hot. Be a weird idea for a hot putty, but wait, did it? Is that it? No, it's not it. It's gonna be harder to get out because there's actually more than the clear one. So it's like all the way to the top. Oh, I could try to get this part. Okay. Think I got it. This is hard. Okay. I wonder what they mean by like heat. Doesn't really feel. Okay. So I got it out. It was definitely. I think this is better. Yeah, this is way better than the clear one. I don't know what they mean by heat. This is as hard as the other one, but it's way better. Oh, okay, I guess, never mind. But it's way stretchier than the other one. So it's a bit more like slime. Don't know what they mean by heat, but that's the putty. It's like a red color. Oh, this is like a red color. Okay. Put this back. I like the containers. I mean, both of these slimes or putties, I like the containers. Sometimes a container could be better than the putty or slime. I don't know if I have anything magnetic though. Did I open it? I don't think so, or I just made it even worse. But this is the color. Oh, I just ripped it by doing this. Okay, well. Okay. Oh my god, I think I'm sweating. Okay. What? Look at it. Like worse. It's way worse than the clear one. It's way less than every one of them. I don't know if I have anything like any magnets or something. It's weird how it doesn't come with a magnet though, and it's really bad. It's not even pretty. Just like really hard slime. I can't even poke it. Okay. Pull and stretch with magnets. Don't have a magnet. I don't think I do. Is that a magnet? I don't know what is a magnet and what isn't. Well, I think I just got ripped off. I don't know, but I think I got ripped off. So these are all the slimes or putties. So first it was all these. They're basically jiggly slime, but you can't poke it. So I like these a lot. And then the one I just did, these fun putties. I'm gonna open this one. Oh, wait. I want to see what this one looks like again. But the heat sensitive one is way better than any one of these. This is the second best one, and then this is the worst one. So yeah, I mean this stretches a little bit, kind of. Okay, not really. But I was kind of disappointed about the putty one since it costed more than this one. So yeah, I'm kind of disappointed about that. But I'm definitely going to be playing with this a lot because it's way stretchier. It's probably stretchier than one of my other slimes, but this one I don't get. I think it's just pretty but colored. I don't get the heat one. I don't get the heat sensitive one, and it's actually you could actually see through. Hello. This is the most like slime out of all of these, and way better than all of them. I don't know if you just saw that, but I just whipped it around like, okay, try to do that again. This video is getting really long. I haven't even decided, but so first I made a big long thing, and this is good that it isn't like sticky at all. It's not like slime. Oh no, it's not going as well as I planned. Okay. So it's good that it doesn't stick to anything. It doesn't get like a bunch of stuff on it. So it's just way better than all these. Probably way better than those. Or better than those. There's not a big difference. But yeah, that's my video today, guys. So I think I would play with the winner of this is these. Oh, the winner of is these. One reason is probably because they're most like slime, or these are most like slime, but they're like super hard. They don't stretch at all. They just, I don't know, only this one is good. The other ones aren't really good. They're just like, they don't, sometimes they don't even feel like pretty. I don't know why, but I just like these better. I think I'm going to be playing with them like more often than these pretties. Although I do like both of the packagings of all of them. So I'm just going to show you guys what this one looks like. Oh. Okay. So it's like pink and green and yellow. Wait. Okay, but this is the other one that I didn't open because I was running out of time, and I'm already running out of time right now because this has been a very long video, but I like these better than the pretties. Just, I don't know, just love squishing these. I mean, like, usually stuff like these, they just don't come back together, but I'm so lucky that these come back together. I'm probably going to be playing with this one a lot. And I love it a lot. So, yeah. The $7 one won for this one. But, yeah, I hope you liked my video today, guys. Okay, that's a weird sound, but it didn't even stick. Oh my god, yes, it did not stick. Okay, it's actually really stretchy for like things like this, because usually YouTubers like, oh gosh, they get stuff like this and then like it doesn't come back together and stuff, but I'm super lucky that these come back together. They're like actually stretchy for what they actually are. But yeah, I just like these more than the putties. Maybe this one is better than these, but these are really fun to play with. It's just like they don't get messy at all. They're not sticky. Like, it's so fun to squish. And sometimes you could poke it, not all the time. But yeah, I really like these water ones. Way better than the putties. But yeah, that is my video today, guys. I hope you liked it. And please click that subscribe button. It will make me so happy. I'm going to pick up a loop later. But I hope you liked my video. And let's just please like it. Subscribe. That'll make me so happy. Please put that notification bell on when you subscribe, and then you'll be notified whenever my videos come up. But yeah, I hope you liked my video today, guys. How much? I think I spent like $18 on these. But yeah, bye. Ooh, it's so jiggly.